YouTube, it's your boy. EDP 445, but EDP stands for eat that not.
Hello, it's Sunday, it's sunny, and we got shit to do, so we're gonna bring you along.
Same. Let's go.
Okay.
Look at the harness that is going into the FC.
Sheesh.
Scenes. Ball water.
Ball water. No, this is ball loudest water.
It's a new day.
Very beautiful, bro. I can't see shit. Sheesh.
Oh boy. Oops. I just wanted to say April is coming, but.
We're in January still.
Yeah, I meant spring, but I switched it up with April.
Yeah. So let me show you something.
Oh, Freight, turn around. Look at this. NB on small wheels.
If you got an NB and you have wheels that are bigger than 14, you're doing it wrong.
Yeah, he's doing something wrong. And even cooler, he just bought a facelift front bumper in black, and he has the Muscle Speed front lip.
Hell yeah! So this, if you don't know, this is the car from Justin's brother, his younger brother. So let me show you. Whoa. So if you watch our TikToks or Instagram, you know that I got a set of SSR MK1s for the Corolla, but this bitch still not running. I don't know how much of it I filmed, but I'm doing a Suzuki GS650 carburetor conversion on this car because the original carburetor is just ass and you can't find any parts and it just stopped working. But first, they crusty. I mean, they not crusty, but I can't drive around with this shit. They have to be shiny as a mirror.
That won't happen. Maybe.
It will, it will.
Depends how much effort you put into. Damn! You think it burns a bit of oil? Not really. Junge. Gonna be hella hard.
Dann kann ich halt nicht halten, ne?
Same. Oof. Gonna be sick!
Only the OGs remember this car. This
Yeah.
is my old Civic.
It's this old Civic,
It's
and
running on 3 cylinders now.
because it has zero compression on one of the cylinders.
We gotta move it, so I don't know.
Oh, battery is dead.
Well.
Nice.
Gonna have to jump start this hoe.
Why retarded?
Nothing. I am retarded.
Why?
I don't know. Can you put the... No, dude. Yeah.
Ah, Junge, wait.
Come on. So, for the Honda guys, please tell me, is this intentional? Did Honda make this
I think so.
for this? Because it looks hella sick when you open the hood all the way.
Bent, the service, whatever.
Hell yeah, I wish every car had this. Let's see if this hole runs.
Again?
Damn. This sounds like ass.
Yeah. Oh, this doesn't sound good at all. Bang Lemmy. Engine is dead anyways, there's gonna be a new one. Damn! So in case we didn't tell you guys already, but the plan for today is, Gabriel's plan is to clean up the MK1s that he got for the Corolla. Yes sir, we're gonna strap them onto the Micra.
Just to make sanding and polishing a bit easier.
Yeah, check it up and let it spin. And for me, I think I'm gonna try and pull out the transmission on the MX5 to clean that up. And yeah, pull the transmission out, and then maybe also the engine today. We'll see. I don't know about that yet. This car needs to get taken care of Hell, disgusting.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, but it's...
The only problems are here, right?
Yeah, the rockers.
Are you gonna do these also?
Yeah.
Okay.
But first, the cool stuff. Wow. Of course. Yeah.
Come on.
So the FC, no progress on that car. Just like the last video, one side skirt, the bumper just put on. That's it. But that's for another video. Yeah, for now I wanna make progress with the MX5. Just realized that I need to pull the manifold off first, the exhaust manifold. Look at these welds. Hell yeah. So that's what we do first, and then we can pull the tranny off. I don't know if I ever explained it, what I want to do with the MX5. There are no ITBs on it anymore. I'm sorry for the sun, for the lighting, but that's how it is for now. But yeah, there are no ITBs on the car anymore, because I'm gonna turbo swap it actually. And that reason being is because I want to drift more. I mean, it was fine with the ITBs, yeah, but to like properly drift in the dry without like having to struggle, it just wasn't enough. Yeah, so we go turbo. I'm gonna film the whole process of that, and yeah, that's how far we got currently. Not that far. I only pulled the ITBs off. So now I gotta pull the exhaust manifold off, so we can reach all the bolts of the transmission. And once we did that, gotta pull all the rest of the stuff off. All the accessories from the engine, the harness, the coolant hoses and whatnot. And then we can hopefully pull the engine out. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today already, because we also got some other stuff planned. The Micra.
Micra is gonna be on MK1s.
Damn, gotta put the adapters on the car, because the Micra and the Corolla, they both 4x100, which sucks. And MK1s are 4x114.
Oh.
So you gotta run adapters.
These don't fit.
No way. Fuck. That's not good.
Yeah.
Well, we get back to you guys later. Bah. Ah, but you get the shank nuts.
Yeah, true.
I mean, it's working.
Hella loud.
Yeah, but the idle gonna go down. The idle air control valve is fucked, but never mind. We don't know what we're doing. Maybe try it on the lip first.
There's a valve thingy.
Tell me something that I don't know. Ay, when he is a bozo, acting loco. Ay, I hit him with the 4-4, yeah, he's no more. Tell me something that I don't know.
So there it is, the OEM MX5 manifold.
You might have to go to your work
Why?
shop, because I need sandpaper.
Oh.
This is not enough.
So now that that is done, I can race the car again, and then we can start to unbolt the transmission and pull it out. But before we do that, I always put my nuts and bolts that I have left, or that I unbolted, I always put them in zipper bags, and I write down what is what, so we don't switch things up and get lost in the process. Well, I fucked up. I raced the car, but I completely forgot that I have to undo the interior first. The shifter and... Wait, let me show you guys. Yeah, the whole shifter itself. And the center console and stuff like that. Gotta do that first before we unbolt the transmission. I also still gotta drain the fluid. So... I was a few steps ahead already. Loud. So just on our way back home to the carport, after picking up some sandpaper where I work, because this guy forgot it at home and it was closer to go there, not to his place.
Yeah, so we just decided to make a trip to another country real quick, just to do some
Bangladesh.
Yeah, we're in Bangladesh right now, and yeah, I don't know. I haven't slidden this car in a while, so I just want to get some joy out of it. And Bangladesh is kind of sick.
So that this is off, I was able to like pull this up, as you can see. So now the shifter can like go through the whole rubber thingy here. Now we gotta go underneath the car and unbolt the transmission. Now we can pull it off already. I think I trained the tranny fluid before, so we don't have to do that. And also, don't try to screw off that adapter only with your hand. It doesn't end up well, so use some pliers or something else. Super retarded. Haven't driven this car in a few months now, since our last meet, and I really miss it. Love sitting in here. Sad. That's just gonna be better the next time. I'm gonna be on the road. Gonna be nice. Wop wop wop. The tranny is finally out of the car. Look at this. Goes hard. Maybe explain how you're doing it.
I think the MK1s are probably the easiest wheels to, let's say, restore. Because you can just put them on a car, lift it up, and just put it in gear. Because most of the area that you have to sand down and polish is closed, like the wheel has no design. So yeah, so that helps a lot with, you can just put some soapy water, some sandpaper, and you can just...
What sandpaper are you using first?
So I'm starting with 400. Is it 400? I think it's 400.
Yeah, something like that.
I have these like thin strips here, and I can just, once they wear down, I can just, just
rip them off.
And so we don't have a big choice of sandpaper, but I'm going from 400 to Scotch Brite, which I have no clue what it translates to, and then after 1,000, and then 2,000. And 5,000 grit. Then after that, I put some of this leather dough.
This stuff right here. Here.
Yeah, this is really good. And after that, I put some
aluminum chrome. What is it?
K2 alu chrome polish.
Yeah.
And
with a towel or a shirt in this case.
And that gives you that finish. And
so. Hell yeah, it's comparison before and after.